So next group of algal members are Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae members are called as red algae, and mostly they are present in the marine environment. So they have one special feature that they can present in the warm waters. When they are present in the water, they have the ability to survive in the place where penetration of light is more, that is near to the surface, and in the deep parts. So they have the ability to survive near to the surface, the place where the penetration of light is more. And in the deeper parts of the water body also they can survive, where the dim light is present. That means they have the ability to perform photosynthesis both in the high light intensity area and also in the dim light areas. And these Rhodophyceae members are multicellular in their nature, with cell wall made up of cellulose and agar. So agar is an water holding substance which is used in commercial purpose, so produced by Gelidium and Gracilaria examples. Then these members have the pigments which are responsible for the photosynthetic process in the chromatophores, and these structures, these pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and apart from the carotenoids, they have phycoerythrin and a little amount of phycocyanin also. The red color is because of phycoerythrin in them, and they perform photosynthesis and store the excess food materials in the form of Floridian starch, and some will store in the form of glycogen also. In the life cycle of these red algae, generally the motile structures are absent. And if you observe the organization of red algal members like Porphyra, the Porphyra will show the flattened expanded structure like this. This is Porphyra, and Polysiphonia have the main axis like structure with the branches on them. So each one will have small structures like this. This type of organization can be seen in Polysiphonia. So this is the main axis, and these are the branches, can be seen in Polysiphonia. Chondrus is one other example where little branching like structures like this. Chondrus. So likewise the massive body is also been seen in the Rhodophyceae members, and here these members will participate in the reproduction, that is vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by non-motile spores, and sexual method of reproduction by non-motile gametes, that is aplanospores in asexual reproduction and aplanogametes in the sexual reproduction. And here they produce male sex organ. The male sex organ is called as spermatium, spermatangium, and this spermatangium will produce spermatium. And the female sex organ is called as carpogonium. The female sex organ along with this male sex organ, they participate in the reproduction with the help of the trichogyne, and they produce some special structure called as a cystocarp. This cystocarp, from the cystocarp they will give rise to the new individual. Likewise, the changes are being observed or variation can be observed in the sexual method of reproduction. And after sexual reproduction, some complex changes will occur. Those are called as post fertilization changes. So here in this one, during the formation of this post fertilization changes, cystocarp will be formed. From there, the plant will be giving rise to the progeny by perpetuating its race. So likewise, these are changes which are taking place, are the characteristic features related to the Rhodophyceae members. Then some important members of Rhodophyceae are Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Gracilaria, Chondrus, Porphyra, etc.